Connecty, now we out to do a matter of fuck in a salon, no? Wait name, World Hair?
World of Hair and Beauty.
Data code, you may say them and them two sexy. Them sexy young lady in a salon, you know, big up them damn self as some people that say them nice clean self, you know? Data code. Iveta Maxine, you know? You know, thing come down, man. I want Canada. You get me? One Eglinton. You get me? You see that? Young ladies. You hear them tune that we play? Code. Hey.
You can't put the panties the way I just want to kill them on the go. Come on.
Popo.
You must see it? Come put the phone you to do it.
Telling you already, you know, be ladies in my camping and I think a joke.
What?
Be ladies. I never fail to feel that. You have to take off the case?
I come from church. Yes.
Hey, me big up my friend where I come from church and she pray for me. You hear that? I know one prayer was sure since day. Hey.
Making that
Shy. Foxy. Big up mommy event, you know. Young lady, you know. Yeah,
blessings. Holy for blessings.
God is it.
Holy for blessings.
Little baby. One man turkey. Where is she? Hey! What your name again? Barbara. Say it slow. You talk too fast. You talk fast like Peter. Come tell me your name.
Kamara Brian.
Hello. Kamara Brian. To all my royal grandbaby. Children. Grandma, Queenie. Let's count. Go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are live on a Skype. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come again, we are friend. A, B, C, D, E. Education is the key, so sweetie. F is for the future. Hey! G is for the greatness. H is for the history. I inspire me. J, I'm a name, I'm a journey. Grandma, Queenie. Riley, Grandma Royal. Ace, Grandma Royal. This is my new best Jamaican grandpitney. What's your name?
Kamara Brian.
You hear that? Kamari Brian. That's a lovely name for a lovely... You want to sing my song for me? Do we song? Sing it then.
One man to do it.
Do it. One man to do it. Do it. One man to be goody. Sing. That's a do it. That's a do it. That's a do it. Make a girl step to me. Good ride. You're so cute. How old are you? 4. How much maternity she was? You see that? My guests are here today. Take care of mommy, yeah? Alright, baby, bye. See you later. Nice.
What's up? Good afternoon. Guys, you good? What's up, my baby? Big up RT. Queen Lady Gangster. Big up. You guys good? So, I can't believe. When I spoke to Queen Lady Gangster this morning and I asked her if she will be saying the last answer I expected was no. I was expecting her to say yes because I had already had a response in regards to her answer. I thought she was going to say yes. And then I would basically say to her to big up all the fans while she sing for me. That was my way of saying that nobody sent for me. But I was totally shocked when Queen Lady Gangster came out and said that she's waiting to hear from them. No, Lang. You understand? You gotta be smart like Ben. You stupid as fuck. Because if two Amari represent, when me step out loud. Come represent the island of Jamaica, West Indies, surrounded by the Caribbean Sea, with the most beautiful girls in the whole fucking world, with the strongest music in the Greater Antilles. You understand? Reggae dancehall. They might try to hold us down, but they cannot stop us. Only Amari can represent reggae music. Amari have been a radio DJ for over 20 years. Ambassador of reggae music. When they would not play reggae music on radio stations, Amari worked on WNWK, WNJR, WAXY, and spread reggae music far and near. You know, think me just a come, eh? May I come from way back when.